boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a song from HIBA TAWAJI and FONSI. I'm not sure if I butchered that name, the first one. This song is called SERA SERA, and yeah, I don't understand at all this lyrics, but I felt it's a good vibe in this song, and it could be someone out there who wants to learn to play this one, so that's what I'm gonna give you. All right, so no need for any cape on this one, and we have a couple of chords to go over, 6 different chords. So let's start with the chords. We have first the E minor, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. C will be the next chord, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have a D F chord, that means a D chord but with an F sharp in the bass. This, so that will be second on E. Then I mute the next string with my finger I'm using here on second E, so it will be muted A, so like this, and then open D, second G, third B, and open E. That's the D F chord. Then we have the G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord will be B minor. So that is a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings from bottom up. We'll count up like that. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And there we have our 6 chords. Before we start the chord progression and so, we will look at the strumming pattern. And E minor is the first chord. So one strumming round will be down, up, clap, down. Okay, so it's a very common strumming pattern when you have this kind of songs with this rhythm. So down, up, clap, down. That's one round. And to put it in a context, a couple of rounds of it will sound like this. So down, and then comes a short pause, and then clap down. Like that. Okay, so now we're ready for this, and I will just give you how it flows through the song here, because I cannot help you with the lyrics. So we'll start with the first verse here. You will play E minor 4 strumming rounds, then C 4 strumming rounds, and repeat that again, E minor 4 and C 4, like this. 2, 3, 4, and then C, 3, 4, and back to E minor. That is the first verse. Then comes the pre-chorus. Here we will play 1 strumming round per chord, and the chord progression here will be A minor to E minor to D F to G, then A minor, G, D F, and then you're just gonna end with 1 down on the B minor. All right. So I'm gonna take you through this slowly, okay, so you understand and you are ready for all the switches. Remember, just 1 strumming round per chord. So A minor, E minor, D F, G, A minor, G, D F, B minor, and then you're gonna repeat this chord progression again, so 2 rounds of that, because they both sing 1 chord progression around, you can say both Hiba and Luis sings this. So, and that's the reason for 2 chord progression rounds. So that 2 rounds will be this pre-chorus. And then that leads up to the chorus. And that is, guess what, played in the same way as the verse. So E minor 4 rounds, C 4 rounds, E minor 4, C 4. We don't have to play through that. We know that by now. That will be the chorus. And from now on, everything else is pretty much repetition. The second verse is played in the same way. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus, played in the same way as the first one. Then comes the second chorus, guess what? Played again in the same way as the first chorus. After this comes a bridge part in the lyrics. I believe it's siempre estaré ahí or so. And that's where Luis starts to sing. And you will play E minor, just 1 down to begin with, and a long break there. And then you're gonna play C, just 1 down and a long break. And then for the next rounds here, you're gonna strum E minor 4 rounds. Like this, okay? And then C 4 rounds. And then you're gonna continue with this for another 5 rounds, and that will cover kind of another chorus and an outro part. So from the bridge, you're gonna play 1 down on E minor and 1 down on C, and then in total it will play 6 combinations of E minor 4 and C4. And that, my friends, covers this song called Que Sera Sera. So I hope all you perhaps Spanish / Arabic speaking people, if you enjoyed this song, this one was for you. And yeah, good luck with this one, guys. Till next time, play tuned.